Hey, what's up guys, Max here, and it's time to show off 5 apps for this week. I'm going to go ahead and get to these 5 apps that I have installed on my phone. These apps have made it. They've won the award of being taking the honor to be on my phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with 2 Holification Nation apps. Now, as you can see here, they're labeled Pandora and Steam. And you might not be able to tell the difference, but once I go into the app, you can definitely tell the difference from the Pandora provided apps, or the official apps rather, and compare it to this. So why did I include these apps in this list when they're third party and they're not from the App Store? Well, let me give you some background information about Holification Nation. Holification Nation is a small company comprised of 3 people, Connor Kirkby, Brandon D'Souza, sorry if I'm not pronouncing your names correctly, and Bajan Kanga. Sorry guys, I really don't know how to pronounce your names, I apologize. But you probably wouldn't be able to pronounce mine either. But yeah, but these developers, they took the UI from an app that did not abide to Google's guidelines for UI, and they took them and they recreated the UI and they made them look they made them abide to the Holo theme. So as you can see here, the design is very clean. It looks very nice and aesthetically pleasing. As you can see here, there's a transparent navigation bar, transparent navigation buttons. They really made sure that this would go to Holo guidelines, and it looks really nice. That's why I like to use holified apps, because they look nice and they're how Android is meant to be. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look in Steam. Let me remind you that both these apps and all of the other apps that they have, I think they have 6 apps as of right now that are holified. But these apps still have the same functionality as the official apps do. They just look a little bit different. It's refined, it's new, and I think the Steam app was just a direct iOS port, so it just looked like shit, and now it doesn't look like shit. It's like magic. The Holification Nation team is like a de-shitifier. So thank you, Holification Nation, for making these apps. They have other apps available on their website, such as Last.fm, Grooveshark, Instagram, and I can't list any others off my head, but I'll go ahead and link it in the description if you're interested. Alright, so we're taking a look here at Google Play Music, and it's okay. But for personal preferences, I like to use PowerAmp. Here you can see the ability to use like themes and stuff, which add to its customizability, and then you also have some equalizer settings here, which I haven't touched for some reason. Okay, I might have like reset the knobs. Yeah, I reset them like this. But yeah, there's lots of stuff in PowerAmp that makes it looks nice and it's very usable. Unfortunately, this is only one on my list that is $399, but to me, if you can afford a smartphone for like $500, or in this case, $349, you should be able to afford $399. It's a good purchase. Trust me. When you buy PowerAmp, you won't be disappointed. I think I got PowerAmp on sale though. Maybe that's why I bought it for like $199 in Christmas. But whatever. For you, I don't know. You can download the trial on what's their name? Max MP, and their Play Store. In the Play Store you can buy their trial version. Also, if you're interested, the skin that I'm using for my PowerAmp app is this one, the PowerAmp KitKat JB ICS skin. So I just went ahead and set it, and it has the status bar background. we're going to go ahead and go over to Twitter by Mario Taku. So we go into Twitter, right? And this is not the... If you haven't noticed, this isn't... I have a trend here. This isn't the official app. You can manage multiple accounts in this Twitter app, as you see. And here's my personal, that's my TechnoRice account. And you have a lot of customizability settings. If you notice up here in the action bar, I have 4 tabs. One is my feed, and this one's my mentions. These are the most, I think these are like trending hashtags, and these are direct messages, but you know, I'm lonely, so I don't have anything here, sorry. If you want my digits, go ahead and look me up at TechnoRice, but let's go ahead and go to settings and take a look here. There's a lot of things. Oh my god. Okay, let's just ignore that. There are a lot of settings here which relate to the interface and such. So you can change the theme color here, like the action bar color and stuff. There's lots of stuff relating to how, let's see, how font works, or how font looks. You can also change things with the interface by adding buttons and swiping, and then I mean, just if you look at the apps that I have, you'll notice that I usually have a bunch of apps that have lots of customizability. So because I'm a really big fan of being able to customize things and set things how you want it. So I mean, that's why I have an Android phone. But yeah, third-party apps like these make me super duper happy. That's fun. And other settings. Again, lots of really small things that you probably would overlook in an app, but I'm glad that they're included here for you to change. So yeah, open source all the way, right? Right. Now finally we have Umail. Umail is the interesting one of this bunch because actually no, the only thing I have wrong with it is that it looks ugly. So let's go ahead and go into Umail. Umail is pretty much just a voicemail replacement for your phone. Now, as you can tell, oh my goodness, ew, this is disgusting. I mean, I'm glad they're providing this service to us, but, you know, just look, I'm gonna puke. Whatever, let's ignore that, set that aside, and look at the functionality of the app. The app is pretty much, it's just a glorified voicemail app. So, yeah, I think this has the ability to have voice transcription. The only reason that I got this app was that reason wasn't for the visual voicemail, but it was for the greetings and the ditching calling thingy-majiggy. So, as you can see here, they have a variety of greetings for you to choose from. And this smart greeting, it greets your caller, like, based off of their name in your phone book. Like, let's say someone named John Doe answers, then the app will figure out that John Joe is calling, and if I don't pick up, it'll go to voicemail, but the voicemail will say,
Max, can't come to the phone right now. Please leave a message.
Okay, so you can set it to go to certain contacts only, and it sort of personalizes it. So it's sort of pretty cool. It's unexpected. Alright, so my SD card just decided to fail, so whatever. I'm just gonna have to say that in the time that I was speaking, I realized how much of it didn't make any sense. So I'm just gonna cut to the chase and say that these 5 apps here will be in the description below. Make sure to check it out. All these apps are free except for PowerAmp, of course. PowerAmp is $3.99. Others are, but I mean, it's really cheap. So I recommend checking them out if you want to. And I'd also like to mention that we have 3,553 subscribers. So we're gonna make our way to 4,000 pretty soon. So Mohit's been putting out all the videos, and I probably put out 1 video per month. There it is, right there. I only got 195 views. Thank you guys. Jeez. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say thank you for being so awesome. Even though I haven't been here, but you know, that's okay. You know, I'm pretty cool, right? Anyways, yeah. thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe for videos from Mohit and I, and leave a like and leave a comment on your favorite 5 apps. And I think I'm going to continue the series because it's pretty easy to make. So whatever is easy to make, I'll go with it because I'm a slacker.